So this is UP1200 model, and this is able to print 2 socks per time. This is a printing roller. Each printer will match 3 rollers with the printer. It will be well packed along with the machine. And let me introduce the basic information of this machine. So on the right side of the printer panel over here, we will see the main board. This is called the main board, which there's a blue net cable you need to connect from the board to the computer. So this is the main board. And here, this is the carriage part of the machine. This is the carriage. When it's power off, we are able to move the carriage from left to right. So, to make sure it's not blocked. If there's when we're shipping, there's a block or metal part, which we fix the carriage to the machine. So avoid the damage during transportation. So when you get the machine, you inspect, the carriage can be moved smoothly. So this is the carriage, and this is headboard. So 2 are for installation for the print head position. Epson DX5, 2 head, and this called capping station. What's function of the capping? It's for the seal the nozzles. When we install the print head, this capping station will goes up. When it will goes up, I do manually for you to see, and it will seal with the cap with the nozzles. So 2 head model. And here, this is the lifting system for the printing roller. We see this part is to turning. This now is locked status. If we unlock it, it will be able to move. So it depends on the printing height. Normally 1 style socks, if the thickness is same, when you adjust first time, and it won't be changed every time. So here is which we have 1 foot pedal. You can release from here, or can release from here. I'll show you when it's turned on. And here, which this part, we'll see. This is a power supply part, and this is 1 waste ink tank. It's empty, which when you connect to the ink system, you have to put the tube into here, and make sure when it's full, you need to pull it off. Better to inspect the waste ink tank every week or every 2 weeks, depends on your printing task quantity. Like if you have work like every day, maybe each week you have to do the clean up in the waste ink tank. So this is the basic one. And those four is for alarming system for the ink tank. When the ink is low level, when it's lack of ink, so the light will alarming. So here, this is CMYK 4 class ink tank, and it will be secondary ink tank below. See, this is alarming, which inner cable goes from here to the top. Now it's disconnected. When it's connected, it will have the function. Also here is the tube for the control the air compressor. Air compressor connect with the air compressor here, and it will be like release and hold the printing roller. Those are the printing rollers. 3 printing rollers filled with the machine.